Have you ever absent-mindedly stared up at the night sky, a vast canvas speckled with distant stars, and felt a nagging sense that there's far more to existence than meets the eye? We navigate our daily lives, grounded in what seems tangible and predictable, yet science continuously unveils realities that dwarf our everyday perceptions. It's easy to become complacent, to accept the world as it appears. But beneath the surface of our familiar routines lies a universe brimming with bizarre phenomena and mind-bending possibilities. This isn't just about abstract theories confined to laboratories. These scientific curiosities touch upon the very fabric of reality, influencing everything from the devices we use to the way we understand our place in the cosmos. Consider, for instance, the simple act of walking. We perceive it as a straightforward process, putting one foot in front of the other. But delve into the physics, the biomechanics, the neurological processes involved, and you'll find a symphony of intricate interactions, a delicate dance of energy and information that borders on the miraculous. Or think about the screen you're currently viewing. It appears solid, a smooth surface displaying images, but it's actually composed of countless atoms, mostly empty space, held together by electromagnetic forces. The solidity we perceive is an illusion, a trick of the senses. These everyday examples barely scratch the surface of the truly strange and wonderful aspects of the scientific world. We're not just talking about complex equations or obscure research papers. We're talking about fundamental truths that challenge our intuitive understanding of the universe. Things that, once grasped, can forever alter your perspective. Prepare to confront the seemingly impossible, to question the very nature of reality as you know it. We'll explore concepts that may initially seem like science fiction, but are, in fact, grounded in rigorous scientific inquiry and experimental observation. This journey isn't about memorizing facts or becoming an expert in theoretical physics. It's about cultivating a sense of wonder, about embracing the unknown, and about recognizing the limitations of our own perceptions. It's about appreciating the sheer audacity of the universe and the relentless human drive to understand it. Get ready to have your assumptions challenged, your mind expanded, and your sense of reality redefined. These aren't just interesting facts, they are glimpses into the profound mysteries that shape our existence, waiting to be uncovered. This exploration will not only reveal the strangeness of the universe, but also the incredible power of human curiosity and the ongoing quest to unravel its secrets. To truly grasp the astonishing nature of scientific curiosities, a historical lens is crucial. Scientific understanding didn't spring forth fully formed. It has evolved through centuries of rigorous observation, daring experimentation, and paradigm shifts that overturned long-held beliefs. Take, for example, the story of spontaneous generation, the now discredited idea that living organisms could arise from non-living matter. For centuries, people believed that maggots spontaneously appeared on rotting meat. It took the meticulous experiments of Francesco Redi in the 17th century, demonstrating that maggots only appeared when flies had access to the meat, to begin dismantling this notion. Building on this, however, the scientific method itself is a relatively recent invention. Prior to its widespread adoption, explanations for natural phenomena often relied on philosophical arguments, religious dogma, or anecdotal evidence. The development of controlled experiments, quantitative measurements, and peer review revolutionized the process of knowledge acquisition, allowing scientists to systematically test hypotheses and build a more accurate picture of the world. Consider the alchemists of the Middle Ages, who sought to transmute base metals into gold. While their efforts ultimately failed in their stated goal, their experimentation with various substances laid the groundwork for the field of chemistry. Their meticulous record-keeping and development of laboratory techniques paved the way for future scientific breakthroughs. Another crucial layer is the evolution of our understanding of the cosmos. For millennia, humans believed that the Earth was the center of the universe, a geocentric model supported by apparent observations. It was only through the painstaking work of astronomers like Nicolaus Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, and Johannes Kepler that the heliocentric model, with the sun at the center, gradually gained acceptance. This shift in perspective not only revolutionized astronomy, but also challenged the authority of the Church and sparked a broader intellectual revolution. The resistance Galileo faced for his heliocentric views serves as a stark reminder of how deeply ingrained even demonstrably false beliefs can become. Furthermore, the development of technology has played a pivotal role in expanding the scope of scientific inquiry. The invention of the telescope allowed astronomers to peer deeper into space, revealing previously unseen celestial objects and phenomena. Similarly, the invention of the microscope opened up a new world of microorganisms, leading to the germ theory of disease and revolutionizing medicine. Each technological advancement has enabled scientists to probe deeper into the mysteries of the universe, uncovering new layers of complexity and challenging existing paradigms. Now, consider how this applies when you face a seemingly insurmountable scientific challenge. The answer often lies not just in theoretical breakthroughs, but also in the development of new tools and techniques that allow us to see the world in a new light. From the Large Hadron Collider probing the fundamental particles of matter, to the James Webb Space Telescope capturing images of the distant universe, technology continues to push the boundaries of scientific exploration. Reflecting on this journey, so far, a compelling narrative emerges, less a collection of isolated oddities and more a tapestry woven from threads of relentless inquiry and paradigm-shattering discoveries. It's as if we've been navigating a labyrinth, each turn revealing not just a new vista, but a deeper understanding of the labyrinth's very structure, its underlying geometry. The initial allure of the strange and unusual gradually gives way to an appreciation for the profound interconnectedness of seemingly disparate phenomena. We begin to perceive the universe not as a collection of independent parts, but as a holistic entity where even the most minute interactions can have far-reaching consequences. The historical perspective underscores this interconnectedness, revealing how present-day scientific understanding is built upon the shoulders of countless individuals who dared to challenge conventional wisdom and push the boundaries of knowledge. It illustrates that scientific progress is not a linear progression, but rather a complex and iterative process marked by both triumphs and setbacks, breakthroughs and dead ends. Each discarded theory, each failed experiment, contributes to the ever-evolving mosaic of scientific understanding. It is like watching a river carve its path through a landscape, each twist and turn shaped by the forces of erosion and resistance, ultimately leading to the sea. The journey from initial curiosity to a more nuanced comprehension mirrors our own cognitive development. We begin with a childlike wonder at the world around us, accepting what we perceive at face value. As we grow and learn, we begin to question our assumptions, to probe deeper into the underlying mechanisms that govern our reality. This process of intellectual maturation is analogous to peeling back the layers of an onion, each layer revealing a new level of complexity and nuance. The technological advancements that have propelled scientific discovery further amplify this sense of interconnectedness. They provide us with new tools to explore the universe, to observe phenomena that were previously beyond our reach. These tools are not merely passive instruments. They actively shape our understanding of the world, allowing us to see it in new and unexpected ways. It's like being given a new set of senses, expanding our ability to perceive and interact with the world around us. As we pivot towards the final reflection, consider the cumulative effect of these insights. They suggest that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. They challenge our preconceived notions about reality and force us to confront the limitations of our own perceptions. But perhaps the most profound implication is that the quest for knowledge is an ongoing and never-ending journey. There will always be new mysteries to unravel, new questions to ask, new frontiers to explore. The true value lies not in arriving at definitive answers, but in embracing the process of discovery itself, in maintaining a spirit of curiosity and a willingness to challenge the status quo. It's about recognizing that the more we learn, the more we realize how much we still don't know. As we approach the end of this exploration into the realm of scientific curiosities, it becomes clear that the true wonder lies not merely in the strangeness of individual facts, but in the profound implications they hold for our understanding of existence itself. We have journeyed through historical shifts in perspective, technological advancements that have expanded our senses, and fundamental concepts that challenge our intuitive grasp of reality. The common thread weaving through these disparate elements is the enduring power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The initial fascination with the bizarre and unexpected serves as a gateway, drawing us into a deeper engagement with the scientific process. It is a reminder that the universe is not a static, predictable entity, but rather a dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry of interconnected phenomena. Each new discovery, each answered question, only serves to reveal a multitude of new mysteries waiting to be unraveled. This constant state of flux is not a cause for despair or confusion, but rather a source of endless fascination and inspiration. Perhaps the most significant takeaway from this journey is the realization that our understanding of the world is necessarily incomplete. We are limited by our senses, our cognitive abilities, and the current state of our scientific knowledge. However, these limitations should not be viewed as insurmountable barriers, but rather as challenges to be overcome. By embracing a spirit of open-mindedness, skepticism, and intellectual humility, we can continue to push the boundaries of our understanding and gain new insights into the nature of reality. The true practice begins now, not in memorizing obscure facts or reciting complex equations, but in cultivating a sense of wonder and curiosity in our everyday lives. It is about questioning our assumptions, challenging conventional wisdom, and seeking out new perspectives. It is about recognizing that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined, and that the quest for knowledge is an ongoing and never-ending journey. Let the spark of curiosity ignite a lifelong pursuit of learning, a commitment to questioning the world around you, and an unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. The universe awaits,